Huntsville Assistance Program started 13 years ago with 7 churches. We now have 70 churches under the umbrella. We help people with rent, utilities, mortgages. More importantly, we help people with the 4 fundamental issues that everyone has in their lives. We can feed your body. We have 2 offices. Each one has a standalone large food pantry. We can help you financially. We help by paying a portion of your rent, utilities, mortgages. We can help you emotionally. We listen to your stories and we care about what is happening with you and your family. We may be the only people who have ever truly listened to you and found it important to know what was happening. And we certainly help you spiritually. We are a Christian organization. We believe that everyone needs to be in a church family. You need to have the support of others who think like you think and who can help you with many of your problems, not always financial, but emotional problems. It's easier when many people carry one problem rather than one person carrying that problem by themselves. We are under the watch care of God, as all of us should be, and most of us are. We answer to a God for what we do. We worry over some of the decisions that we make. We're very aware that the funds that come to Huntsville Assistance Program belong to God, and we take it very seriously as to how we dispense those funds. We are in the business of enabling, not enabling. We give a hand up, not a handout. We have other programs that we refer people to. We're a wonderful source of referral information. We can refer you for dental, free dental care. We recently were part of the organizations that helped start the free dental organization. We can refer you to organizations that perhaps can help you with automobile repair or perhaps automobile donations. We can help you with Jobs for Life. We're part of that program. There are many things that we can help guide you into that will help you have a better life than what you presently may be having. We can help you get started with education. Maybe you have wanted to go to college, but you did not have the funds, didn't have the time. You needed to be out earning a living. So there are many things that we try to do that will help you have a better life. Our motto is, God did not send any of us down here to occupy space. He wants us to leave this a better place than what it was when we arrived. That may be influencing only one person in a positive Christian way, but we are sent here to fulfill that mission that God has in mind for each and every one of us. Thank you for the opportunity to tell you about Huntsville Assistance Program.